Maintenance schedules, to help technicians and advisors keep customers informed and safe. I mean, how important is that now, and how are you using that now in your shops?
I have been asked, especially within the last 5 years, more and more often, because these cars are getting more and more expensive and more technology is put into them. They're worried about keeping that car on the road. And as a shop, as all of our shops, we are always saying, ask. Ask the customer if they want their maintenance. Ask the customer if they know. And we can print that out to them as literally from the OEs and say, hey, here you go, customer. Here's your maintenance schedule. So having access to that maintenance, being able to provide that OE maintenance schedule to our customers and provide that nice difference for them that CBA is trying to do, then hey, that just puts the gold star on things in their eyes, because we're letting them know these guys manufacture the cars and this is what they're recommending, and they will follow through with that so there's no surprises.